So our next topic is operation on matrices. This is our next topic, operation on matrices. So what are we going to see under this topic? So we will understand how to add and how to subtract two matrices. Okay. So first is of matrices, addition of matrices. Then we will see difference of matrices. Then we will see multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. By a scalar. Multiplication of matrices by a scalar. Then we will see multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. So these are the four topics we will see under the topic operation of matrices. So first we'll move on to the topic addition of matrices. Addition of matrices. So basically we will see this topic addition of matrices and this difference of matrices in one topic only. Basically this is same topic. Okay, addition and difference कुछ अलग चीज़ नहीं है, सेम ही है, रूल भी सेम है. तो इन दोनों को हम लोग एक साथ पढ़ लेंगे. ठीक है, एडिशन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस एंड डिफरेंस ऑफ मैट्रिसेस वी विल स्टडी कंबाइंड. So addition of matrices, how to add two matrices. Addition of matrices. Suppose a matrix is given to you. Let's say matrix A is given. This is matrix A. Let's say another matrix is given to you. So two matrices is given to matrix A and matrix B. Matrix A has two rows and two columns. Matrix B has two rows and two columns. Okay. So order of the matrix A is 2 by 2. Order of the matrix B is 2 by 2. Okay. Order of the both matrices are same because both the matrix has two row and two column. So how will we find matrix A plus B? Okay. Addition of matrix A and B, which is A plus B. So addition of matrix A and B. So simply write matrix A then plus matrix B. Okay, this is how we write matrix A plus B. Okay, this is matrix A plus B. Now what we have to do, we just have to simply add the corresponding elements. Okay, now add 1 and 0, then add 2 and minus 1, then add 3 and 2, then add 4 and 1. Okay, just add the corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B. So we will get the matrix 1 plus 0 1, 2 plus minus 1 which is 1, 3 plus 2 which is 5, 4 plus 1 which is 5. Okay, this is how you add or how you find A plus B. Now I think addition of matrix is very clear to you. Now the point to be noted is order of the matrix A is 2 by 2, order of the matrix B is 2 by 2. So after addition the order of the matrix will be same. Okay, it won't change. Okay, while adding two matrices order does not change. Let's take another example. Let's say C is the matrix that has element 1 and 0. D is the matrix that has element 1 0 1 0. Okay, now you can see here order of the matrix C is 2 rows and 1 column. So order of the matrix C is 2 by 1. Order of the matrix D is 2 rows 2 columns. Okay, so order of the matrix D is 2 by 2. Okay, now you can see here we cannot add corresponding elements because the elements are missing. Okay, it has only 2 elements, it has 4 elements. So number of elements are different in matrix C and D. So what we have to do, we cannot add matrix C and D since the order of the matrices are different. So when order of the matrices are different, the addition is not defined. The addition is not defined. Okay. So the simple rule for addition of the matrix is that both the matrix which has to be added, the order has to be same. So this is how you find a plus b or addition of two matrix. Now in general I can write matrix. Let's say matrix A has element aij. Aij is a general element of matrix A. Now order of the matrix A is suppose m by n. Okay. Let's say B is another matrix. B is another matrix which has element bij in general. Okay, in general bij. Now to add matrix A and B, both should have same order. So B also should have the order m by n. Now to add A and matrix B, we will just add corresponding elements of matrix A with B. Okay, we will add the corresponding elements of A with B, and order will not change. Okay, order will be same after addition. Similarly, we can understand difference of matrix. We can understand difference of matrix. We can understand difference of matrices. Now, the rule is same. To find a difference of two matrices, again the order has to be same. Okay, so we will take that example. Okay, now this is the two example. This is the example of two matrix, matrix A and matrix B. Now matrix A has two rows and one column. Okay, matrix B has two rows and one column. That means order of the matrix A is 2 by 1, order of the matrix B is 2 by 1. Okay, that means order of the both matrices are same. Two rows and one column for matrix A and B. Now we have to find A minus B, which is the difference of matrix A and B. Okay, we have to find A minus B. So A minus B is basically 0, 2, which is matrix A, minus matrix B, 3, 4. Okay, so similarly we did for addition of matrix. The same procedure we have to follow for difference of matrices. The difference is that we just have to subtract the corresponding elements. Okay, so we have to subtract 0 and 3. So we will get minus 3. Then 2 minus 4, we will get minus 2. Okay, so this is how you find A minus B. So as I told you, the same rule which we have used for addition of matrices. So addition of matrices is possible if and only if two matrices are of same order. Okay, similarly for difference of matrices. So difference of matrices is possible only for the matrix that has same order. If orders are different, then the difference or addition is not defined. Okay, so we can write in general, A is the element, A is the matrix that has element Aij, which has order m by n. B is the matrix that has element Bij, that has order m by n. So A minus B is a matrix in which A minus B is a matrix that we will find by subtracting the corresponding elements of A and B. Okay, and after subtracting the corresponding elements, after getting the matrix A minus B, the order will be same as A and B. Okay, order will not change in matrix, in addition of matrices and difference of matrices. Okay, so this is how you find addition of matrices and difference of matrices. Next we will see multiplication of a matrices, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Okay, here scalar means a constant. Scalar means a constant. Okay. Now let's say I have a matrix A. Okay, this is matrix A that has two rows and two column. Okay, this is matrix A. Now you can see here that okay, order of the matrix. What is order of the matrix? Which is 2 by 2. Okay, order of the matrix is 2 by 2. Now what we have to find, uh, what happens if a constant is multiplied with a matrix. Okay, we have to find what we have to find. What we have to find? We have to find a matrix which is multiplied by a constant. Okay, let's say let's say the constant is 3. Okay, and matrix is A. Now we have to find 3A. Okay, now this is matrix A, this is that constant. Okay, now constant is multiplied with the matrix A. Okay, this is scalar, this is scalar, this is scalar. Okay, now what is here? Constant is multiplied with the matrix A. So 3 is the constant and the matrix 1 2 0 minus 3. Okay. So what will be the value if you multiply this constant with this matrix? Okay, now how to find this? Okay, so whenever a constant is multiplied with a matrix, whenever a constant is multiplied with a matrix, what we have to do? We have to multiply this constant with every element. Okay, with every element you have to multiply this constant with every element in the matrix. So we will get a matrix, we will get a matrix. So when 3 is multiplied with 1, we will get 3. When this 3 is multiplied with 2, we will get 6. When this 3 is multiplied with 0, we will get 0. When this 3 is multiplied with minus 3, we will get minus 9. Okay, so this is the new matrix, and this matrix is actually 3A. Okay, so whenever a scalar, whenever a constant is multiplied with a matrix, that constant will be multiplied with every element in the matrix. Okay, so I can say that in general I can say A is a matrix that has element Aij and it has order m by n. Okay, now let's say I need to find k times A. Okay, here k is a constant and A is a matrix. Okay, A matrix has some element that can have any number of element. Okay, and the order of the matrix A is m by n. Now this k will multiply with every element in the matrix. Okay, in every element in the matrix. Aij represent every element of a matrix. So k gets multiplied with every element in the matrix. Okay, so after multiplying the constant with all the elements in the matrix, the order does not change, the order remains same. Okay, so this is how you multiply a scalar with a matrix. So when you add two matrix, when you find a difference of two matrix, or when you multiply a scalar with a matrix, the order does not change, the order remains as it is. Okay, so in the next we will move on to, so we have seen three subtopics, which is addition of matrix, difference of matrix, and multiplication of scalar by a matrix. Next we will move on to the fourth subtopic, which is multiplication of matrices. Okay.